I mean, that's been a big issue, now with the more buyers putting down the inventory, they're not able to secure something.
But I'm curious from you guys' perspective, like, what do you feel like is like the biggest frustration when it comes to a 1031 exchange for your clients?
I would say just the understanding of all of their options and how it works. I mean, most of them come with frustration of just not understanding it completely.
Jesse, what do you think?
I would totally agree with that, with just timelines that you're under and that you need to buy a property.
You got to do it quick.
Yeah.
Do you guys ever have primary homeowners? Sorry, Jesse, do you guys have any primary homeowners that are trying to sell like a $5-10 million deal on the lake and they've owned it for a long time and they're struggling with capital gains tax?
Not a primary.
Mhm.
I mean, so then primary here, we wouldn't have capital gain. But on their second home, yes.
Got it. Yeah. So if anyone's curious why I'm asking these questions, is because we have a solution for that. If you did have a primary, a luxury house, it could be investment real estate or primary. The 1031 exchange doesn't work for that. At least it doesn't work. It doesn't work for a primary, but the deferred sales trust works for both. You can do it for a primary. We just did an $8.3 million primary home sale out of Palo Alto. We just did a $4.2 million investment property out of Colorado. And it works for a $50 million land sale out of Texas. So it works for all things. And so if you're looking, it works for crypto business sales. So if you're curious, you can go to Capital Gains Tax Solutions to learn more about that. But from a real estate perspective, sometimes at 1031 exchanges, you run out of time. So if you ever had a situation where your clients are running out of time and they end up just paying the tax, but they couldn't identify anything, Jesse or Annie?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's been a big issue, now with the more buyers putting down the inventory, they're not able to secure something.
Or they have to buy in a different location on a different piece of property.
Right, that maybe they didn't want to buy because they ran out of time, or they just got to buy something. So yeah, the deferred sales trust, what's cool is you don't have to buy right away. In fact, you can sell high, diversify it into the stock market, diversify it into other passive or active real estate deals, and then buy whenever you want to back into your own deals. Now, it can't be a primary. It's one of the downsides to it as a realtor, right? If they need it for a primary purchase, then they just want to pay the tax on that amount and use that as a down payment.